Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you a tip that I actually learned from two of my older adult clients who are visually impaired, and that is using Christmas lights for both orientation and safety. All right, so for my demonstration here, behind me I have a door, and surrounding that door is a set of Christmas lights that are turned on that are surrounding the door frame of the door. And this is the tip that my clients shared with me that they found really helpful. I realize this won't work for everybody, but for some people this can be really helpful for several different reasons. And the first one that I think is pretty helpful is for orientation. So if somebody lives in a house and is struggling finding which door or which hallway is the correct one they're looking to go down or in, they can surround that with a set of lights. Especially at nighttime, I find this helpful for some of my clients. Having that light source gives them an idea of which direction they need to go to get either to their bedroom or whatever it might be. So another reason I find this helpful is for safety. So having the door frame surrounded by the lights, it gives the person some indication of where the edges of the door frames are. So this can be helpful for preventing some kind of bumping into the door frames with the shoulders or the arm or something like that. So it can be helpful for safety, not for everyone, but I do find that, especially for those two clients who shared this tip with me, that it was really helpful for both orientation and safety. And then finally, I just want to mention that this is a really easy tip, and it's even worth trying. Christmas lights or LED lights are really inexpensive, and they have battery-powered ones, they have ones that plug in, and you can just put it around a door frame pretty easily. Right now, I just use some tape here behind me, but you can use different techniques to hang it. But it's really simple to do, and I think it's worth trying if you think it might help. So hopefully this was a little helpful tip and something that might be worth trying. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you click that little bell icon, you'll be alerted when new videos are available. And have a wonderful day.